Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and in today's video I will show you my special recipe which is green pepper and tomato appetizer. I hope you also like it. Our ingredients are 900 grams of strained yogurt, 2 medium tomatoes, 5 green long peppers. They are not chili, 2 tablespoons of olive oil for frying the vegetables, 2 tablespoons of olive oil to put on top. Salt, this will go inside the vegetables, the other salt which will go inside the strained yogurt. And also powdered chili peppers, it's optional. Now we are going to start by cutting our green peppers into little pieces. We are going to cut all of them like this. And we are also going to cut our tomatoes like this. We are going to cut them, divide them into 4 or 6 pieces. Now, as we are seeing, we have our green peppers and tomatoes sliced nicely. Now we are going to take our olive oil in our pan. And we are just going to make it a little bit hot before we put in anything. And then I'm going to add my green long peppers inside firstly. We are going to put them firstly because, as you all know, peppers are cooked much more later than tomatoes. And we're going to add in our salt. And we are just going to fry them with the olive oil we just put. And now I can add my tomatoes. And now they will make a really good mixture when you put them all together. This mixture will be caramelized. It will be very nice after it's all fried. And now, as you can see, my vegetables are all fried up. And now I am going to turn off my stove and I will wait for my mixture to cool off. Now we are going to get our strained yogurt and I'm going to add in salt. And now just mix it really well after you add the salt. And just top it off. And now we are going to put our cooled off vegetables. They are now cold, so now I put them in and I'm going to mix them all really well until they are all mixed up to each other. But guys, really this recipe, I am sure you will like it. And now, as I mixed all of the vegetables, now just clean the surface and we are going to decorate. Now just get your olive oil into a pan and also add in the powdered chili peppers and just fry it very little, don't burn it. Just some seconds will do. Something like 20 seconds is all right. And now just get your olive oil and put it on top of your mixture. As you can see, it really smells really nice, even right now. And now I'm going to decorate it with basil. If you like, you can put on top whatever you like. It's just for decorating. I think it goes really nice. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video until now. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm uploading videos every week, so make sure to stay tuned. Bye!